Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the artificial intelligence and its pros and the cons. That is the it also known as the advantages and disadvantages. We are going to discuss about it. First, we are seeing the what is meant by AI. The AI is a technology that helps to create a smart and intelligent machines that are capable of performing tasks without human intervention. AI is a based machine that are programmed to learn and explore their surroundings with the help of a data analysis. In the real world, we can see various applications of AI that allows us to perform our day-to-day tasks easily. There are many useful applications of AI that have changed our lives, such as Google Maps, self-driving cars, automated marketing, e-commerce recommendation system, automated fraud detection, and many more. Apart from these various useful applications of AI, there are also several disadvantages of the same, and which will be discussed in the next part. The Now we are seeing the pros of artificial intelligence. In the modern day, artificial intelligence is making its very way to smarter world. AI is helping to create a advanced tool for the automation that can be save the human's time for the productive task. Therefore, it is in this session we are seeing the pros and cons of the artificial intelligence. We are discussing the various pros of the AI. First, first we are seeing the error-free processing. In that, the execution of the task by the humans is more prone to make the errors, and we often make mistakes while doing a specific task. So this might be due to the variation of the intellectual ability of an individual, but it is not the same but it is not the same with the AI based machines. We program the machines for accomplishing a specific task, and thus the accuracy is depend on how well we design and program the machine to carry out this specific task. If we compare the AI based machines to the humans for executing a particular task, then the AI has proved itself to be more efficient than the human beings. The use of artificial intelligence in a various fields helps to reduces the unnecessary errors and the losses. Next pros, we are seeing the helps in a repetitive jobs. Unlike the humans, machines do not require the breaks to recover from the tiredness and to boost the productivity. There are many day-to-day tasks or a work that is accomplished by a human, but which are the repetitive. The efficiency of a human reduce while continuously performing the same job again and again. Moreover, it is fact that a human worker can be productive only for 8 to 10 hours per day. And on the other hand, AI-based machine helps to perform the repetitive task for a long period of time without any slowdown. The AI helps to operate the machines for an infinite time and without lacking the productivity. And this is a major pros of AI that have led to its acceptance in every sector. Next, we are seeing the 24/7 availability. The average worker can only invest in a service for 7 to 8 hours of a day, and human needs time to refresh themselves, and they need to maintain a work life balance. So they cannot work 24 hours a day. And here the AI helps to provide a 24/7 services to an organization. And in another scenario, AI-based robots or chatboxes used by the customer services application, which can handle the multiple queries at a time and the round the clock. AI can provide services without any delay or a lack of efficiency. Nowadays, every e-commerce applications, e-learning websites, healthcare sector or educational institute, etc., which is use the AI for the support chat, and this helps in enhancing the customer services. Next we are seeing next prawns is a right decision making. One of the advantage of a AI is its ability to make the right decision, and there are no emotion which is attached to the AI based machines that help to prevent a hampering efficiency. The machines that are built using artificial intelligence are capable of making the logical decisions as well. A human will examine a situation by considering many factors, and the factors may influence the decision, can be emotionally or practically. However, the machine gives the accurate result as they are the program to make logical decisions. Next is a digital assistance. It is another advantages of AI, digital assistance. AI powered the applications and also provide a digital assistant. And today most organizations make use of a digital assistant to perform automated tasks. Next, we are seeing the fast decision making. It is one of the reason of AI which is known for their unbiased decision. It is because of in that AI there is no emotions. AI along with their other technologies can make the decision faster than the human beings and carry out the action rapidly. Now we are seeing the cons of AI. First is the high cost of the creation. The creation of the machines empowered with the AI is very costly, and for a large scale product or a project, the price might reach up to the millions of the dollars. Thus, for a small scale of business, it is not possible to implement AI. For the companies with the large revenues too, the cost of the development of an AI project may be felt high due to the features, functionalities, or a scope with which it is designed. Next is the increased unemployment. In that not so distant future, the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has brought about the unprecedented level of automation, which is leading to a profound impact on a global workforce. The machine become the increasing capable of performing complex tasks, and many traditional jobs once held by hardworking individuals are now being taken over by the algorithms and the robots. Third cons is a lacking creativity. In that the machine cannot become a creative as a humans, so artificial intelligence can provide a functionalities to learn from the data, but cannot make the machines mimic the exact human brain and the skills. Next is a lacking improvement. The AI algorithms are designed in such way that it allows the machine to learn by themselves by exploring the data. Then the machine try to improve by learning itself. But any redundancies in the data may cause the failure in the learning, and the machines may show the unpredictable result. The next is a no human replication. Humans have created the machines to save the time and effort from doing non-essential repetitive tasks. AI-powered machines work on algorithm, mathematical computing, and the cognitive technologies. And it's all about the AI, that is artificial intelligence, about and their advantages and disadvantages, pros and cons. Thank you.